Complete the sentences for kids English vocabulary. Let's start. The sky is dash. The sky is dash. Blue. The sky is blue. I dash jump. I dash jump. Can. I can jump. He will dash. He will dash. Come. He will come. Put it dash. Put it dash. Down. Put it down. Try to dash it. Try to dash it. Find. Try to find it. It is dash free. It is dash free. For. It is for free. It is dash. It is dash funny. It is funny. I have dash eyes. I have dash eyes. 2. I have 2 eyes. Please dash away. Please dash away. Go. Please go away. Can I dash? Can I dash? Help. Can I help? I am right dash. I am right dash. Here. I am right here. Dash can drink. Dash can drink. I can drink. I am dash house. I am dash house. In. I am in house. He dash my friend. He dash my friend. Is. He is my friend. Dash is new. Dash is new. It is new. I can dash. I can dash. Jump. I can jump. I am a dash busy. I am a dash busy. Little. I am a little busy. Dash at that. Dash at that. Look. Look at that. Do not dash me mad. Do not dash me mad. Make. Do not make me mad. Let dash see. Let dash see. Me. Let me see. This is dash book. This is dash book. My. This is my book. I can dash eat. I can dash eat. Not. I can not eat. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more learning videos.